Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your WordPress site looks great on a computer but messy on a phone, you're not alone. With more than half of web traffic now coming from mobile devices, making your site mobile-friendly is absolutely essential. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through the easiest way to make your WordPress website fit perfectly on any smartphone. Step by step, no tech skills required. Stick with me until the end so you can transform your site into a smooth, mobile-ready experience today. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. Click the Login button. For the fastest login, choose Continue with Google. If you're already signed into Google, this is a one-click process. Then pick the Google account linked to your WordPress website. Once logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard, the central hub for all your site settings and design tools. On the right-hand panel, look for Quick Links and click Edit Site. This takes you straight into the WordPress site editor, where you can visually adjust your theme, blocks, and layout. Before making changes, see what visitors see. Scroll to the top of the editor and click View. This gives you a live preview of your site on desktop. Check for obvious spacing or alignment problems that might get worse on smaller screens. Here's the key move. In the top menu of the site editor, find the mobile option. Sometimes it's a drop-down or a small phone icon. Click it. Instantly, you'll see exactly how your site looks on a smartphone. This preview is critical for spotting overlapping text, images that don't resize, or buttons that are too small to tap. Now start tweaking. Resize or reflow blocks. Click on text, images, or columns and adjust their width so they fit neatly on narrow screens. Check fonts and buttons. Make sure fonts are large enough to read and buttons are easy to tap. Optimize images. Replace overly large images with responsive ones to speed up loading. WordPress automatically saves changes as you work, so you can preview updates in real time. When you're satisfied, click Preview again to double-check both mobile and desktop views. Finally, hit Publish to push your new mobile-optimized design live. Grab your own phone to confirm everything looks perfect. And that's it! Your WordPress site is now fully mobile-friendly, giving visitors a smooth experience no matter what device they use. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and digital growth strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.